Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to do problems by helping 3 people today, and we're going to see what each of their problems is, and we're going to figure all these math problems out together. Okay, so we're starting with Max. So let's read what Max says. Max chooses a number. His number is 437. Okay. What is his number rounded to the nearest 10? Okay, guys. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to round numbers. So basically, we just write the number down. Say 438, which is Max's number. Now, round it to the nearest tens. As you guys know, this is the tens column over here, right by the 3. So we're not actually going to be underlining the 3 and seeing how much it is. So we're going to be underlining one before it. So the 8s column. Which is, sorry, not the 8s, the 1s column. So there's an 8 in the 1s column. If it's 4 or less, we round to the 4. And if it's 5 or more, then we have to go up. So let's see. It's 8, so we have to move the 3 to become the number 4. And then we remove the 8 as well. So 440 is closest. As you guys know, 38 is closer to 40 than to 30. So this is between 40 and 30. And so that would be the number rounded to the nearest 10. Okay, let's go to the second one. Oh, as you guys can see, this is Max wondering. So what is his number rounded to the nearest 100? Okay, this is going to be a bit trickier, but it's actually the same thing, so we don't have to worry. So this is also rounding to the nearest 100. So let's do this. So 440, as you guys know, because it was in the tens, we were looking at the ones. So since this is in the nearest hundreds, we can look at the tens. Okay. So the number is 438. Round it to the nearest 100. So we have to underline the 3. Now guys, this is actually less than 5. So we have to actually turn the 4 back down into a 3. So the answer would be 3. So we have to actually bring this down, the 4, down to a 3. So 300. Yeah. 300, because this is actually to the nearest 100. So it has to be 300, because we can't have the rest of the numbers, because this would also have to turn into a 0. Yeah. Okay, we finished the first person. Now we're going to Emma. Okay, let's read her problem. Emma has 8 cakes. She wants to share it equally between 4 friends. How many whole cakes does each friend get? Now guys, this is actually very important. As you can see, this is Emma, because in most reasoning tests we would have things like this. So what's better to practice before the test? As you guys know, you don't want to get a 0, a big fat 0 on your test. So prevention is better than cure, as you say. So how many whole cakes does each friend get? So basically, there's 8 cakes. There's 8 cakes. And then there's 4 friends. So all we have to do is divide the 2. Now, if you guys are year 3 or 4, you probably know this. But if you're like under those ages, like grade 1, grade 2, these kind of stuff, yeah, both America and England will probably be learning these just now. So it's going to be a bit hard. So if you guys already knew, it's going to be 2. Because 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So each friend between the 4 of them has to get 2 cakes, because this is one of the 4 friends who gets 2. This is the other 4 friends, so these are the 4 friends. 2, 2, and 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 of the 2s. So that's how many each friend should get. And the next question Emma's asking is 12 times 12. Now I'm sure a few people know this who are watching. If you're kids, you probably know this. Let's shout it out together. 3, 2, 1. 144. Good job, guys. Now that we fixed Emma's problem, we're going to go on to the last person. Olivia. Let's see what she's saying. Okay, we can see her right there practicing gymnastics and these kind of stuff. Let's see. Olivia wins 8 points. Ellen wins 4 times more than her. Tulip gets 4 less than her. How many points do Tulip and Ellen have together? Okay, let's see. This is actually a reasoning question as well. So Olivia wins 8 points. Ellen wins 4 times more than her. What's 8 times 4, guys? 8 times 4 is equal to... Come on, guys, you know this. Okay, good job. 32. Now, 32... since Tulip gets 4 less than Olivia, Olivia has 8. Minus 4, that's equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys. 4. And definitely not looking at the 6, 7. 6, 7. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Okay. So, that means, that means Ellen gets 32, Olivia gets 8, and Tulip gets 4 points. Alright, so now it says, how many points do Tulip and Ellen have together? Okay, so 32, add 4. Gotta see how much this is. So 4, 5, 6. This is how we set it out. And then 4 add 2 is equal to 6. And then 3 add nothing is equal to 3. So 36. The answer is 36. So how many points do Tulip and Ellen have together? They have 36 points together. Good job, guys. Always make sure if you're doing a test to show you're working out inside the box that's provided or wherever the space is provided. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more of these. Thanks, guys. Bye.